Alright guys, today we're going to make sour cream and onion dip that's going to be dipping for the potato chips. What I have here, I'm using for a non-stick skillet over medium to medium-high heat. I'm going to start by putting 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil or canola oil. You want to get that nice and hot. And now we're going to throw in 1 medium yellow onion. Then you want to stir fry it until you get caramelized. Right, I just only mince the onions into the food processor because it's making it really easy to speed up the process. I just want to make sure to moving around the onions to caramelize that. Can you see the onions just caramelized and it just kept moving around? And then I just want to make sure you can see how the fragrance went. So once after, just caramelize the onions, and then we're going to remove it from the heat. And then we're going to set this aside. And then we're going to finish the rest of the ingredients. We're going to finish the rest of the ingredients together in a large bowl. I'm going to put half a cup of real mayonnaise. I'm also going to put 1 cup of sour cream. I am going to put 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder. I'm going to season a half teaspoon of kosher salt and ground black pepper according to taste. And then we're just going to give this a stir. I'm going to use it with a wide whisk. And now we're going to add the caramelized onion. Put that right here together. Just gonna keep going, and then you can see the onions just to give it a nice super flavor of the sour cream and onion dip. Alright, once everything's all mixed, now you're going to put it into the serving bowl. Let me just go grab the rubber spatula and just put it into this one, right in the serving bowl. You can see how just gorgeous of the sour cream and onion dip. And now we're ready to serve it with potato chips. And here is the finished sour cream and onion dip. Serve with some beautifully potato chips. Really have the kettle original one, and of course with the veggie one. If you're interested for more recipes, let me know in the comments below. We are always for sharing. Subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to give it a big thumbs up for everyone. And I hope you enjoy. As always, thank you very much for watching.